Come test drive the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.